Morning mga Katimbol Vlogs. Welcome sa isa na namang video bus vlog. But bago yan, time check muna tayo. It's 7:18 May 23, 2024, Thursday here at Wellington, New Zealand. Malamig-lamig na ang panahon pa rin dito sa New Zealand. So ang gagamitin ng bus na nga si bus number 5707. And before that, brought up muna natin yung school sign because we're having a school run. This one is bearing plate number NQY 744, which will expire on August 2, 2024. Bago birthday ko pa. Ako ay August 3. So let's check this out. Yung mga check lang naman natin dito is yung mga gulong. Kasi yung mga gasgas sa old damage na. This one has old damage. That one old damage. And there's our 1mm. All good. Just this. Medyo marami bus natin, marami. Hindi nila once a week lang nila nuhugasan yung mga bus. Fenders are all adjusters yun, and all good. Medyo pa-expired na rin yung gulong nun itong bus na to. So dito tayo sa harap ngayon, and check this out. Medyo untidy yung dahil alam nyo naman once a week lang nila dinisan itong mga bus na to. And it's all good. So until next video bus vlog, paalam.